Hi, this is Gena Mayo, and I'm thrilled that you're here checking out the Homeschool High School Fine Arts membership. About a year ago, I started the elementary membership, and I had several people asking about a high school membership, and I'm thrilled that I finally have it ready for you. Now, the most exciting thing about this founding members launch from September 1st through 7th is that you get to help form it into what you want it to be. So right now there are 5 courses already there and 6 bonus courses that you founding members get access to immediately. But there will be some more things added, and I want you to help me decide what they'll be. I am working on getting these fun, exciting seminars, workshops related to all kinds of different fine arts topics. And the first one will be about Hamilton the musical, why and how it became a sensation. And there will be so many more fun ones coming. So check out everything on this page. Send me a message if you have a message, because I'd love to help you and answer any questions you have. And I will see you in the membership.